So you want to edit a named range's range, meaning we don't want to change the name, we don't want to delete it, we just want to change the range in which it is looking at. For instance, here with A2 to A9, we have invoice IDs, but we've added a 10th one, so we actually want to edit this to include the 10th row here, but maybe even more. So we want to edit this named range. Here's how to do that. You could go to anywhere in the sheet and click Data, Named Ranges, and you'll see a list on the right of all the named ranges. So our named range we want to edit is Invoice IDs. Go over to the right side, click Edit, and we can edit the name here, but we can also edit the range. And in my case, I just want to do A2 to A, click Done, and now that will include every single row in this sheet. That's how to edit a named ranges range. If you're looking for more about named ranges and how to use them and why, go watch this other video on YouTube here on Better Sheets and subscribe.